Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Karina, and so today I want to talk about the law of attraction, what it is, and all that jazz. So let's go. The law of attraction is basically you get whatever you think about. Whether that is a positive or a negative thought, you are attracting that into your life. So your first thoughts, you are creating something. You are putting something into your presence, into your physical being, into your existence. So, you know, normally when people in general are like, I don't want something, I don't want this to happen, I don't want this to happen, I hope the line's not long, I hope the line's not long, which is something you don't want, which therefore then you get to the line and it is long. And a lot of people, whether you believe in the universe and the law of attraction or not, it's always happening whether you believe it or not. So basically that is what it is. You get what you think about, whether you want it or not. If it's negative, it's gonna come into fruition. If it's positive, it will come true. So with that being said, your frequency, basically the thoughts you process in your mind and what you desire to have, what you desire to be, whether that's a new job, going to school, creating something, anything in your life, getting money, whatever the case is, if you are not matching the frequency of that thing you want, you are not going to get it. And if you're thinking that you don't have it, like I just mentioned, if you think of the lack of it, you're not going to receive it. And that's kind of tricky because a lot of the times you always are like, I don't want this job I currently have, I want that job. But then you're not going to get that job if you continue to think about what you don't have, rather than being grateful for it. So your frequency. So if you get excited when you think about having this new job, and then you go back to, I gotta go to this other job that I hate and want to get out of, you aren't going to be able to attract that job because you're not constantly matching the frequency needed. So when you lose that level of desire and frequency and vibration and just being happy, to make it simple, if you feel excited and happy to want that job, you are going to need to be excited and happy that you have a job already while you're trying to achieve another job. So that's basically it simplified. So that's like basically all it is just matching your frequency to your desires, the thoughts you think about. So if you want something, think about actually having it rather than not having it and trying to get it. And we will go further into that in other videos, but that's what you kind of have to think about, is just thinking like, I already have that job, I already have the money I want, I already have the car I want, while you're still working towards it, if that makes any sense. So that is all for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Hopefully you understand a little bit of law of attraction in a very short version. I will continue to do videos around the law of attraction, methods, what's worked for me, what's worked for other people, success stories, health, everything. So yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, hit the bell for notifications. I plan to upload weekly, and yeah, so thank you. Hopefully you're having a beautiful day.